How to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your Instagram and then head over to add your story option and then choose the picture that you want to post. And now to add more pictures, you need to go to the sticker icon on the right hand side. This is a new update, otherwise it can be on top. And then you can see photo option. Now choose the photos that you want to add. So place it anywhere. Similarly, you can choose more. You can just tap on it and then change the shape. And this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.